Hey guys, if you're a woodworker like me, you've certainly come across 731 Woodworks channel on YouTube, owned and operated by Matt Outlaw. Today, we're going to look at Matt's humble beginnings and rise on YouTube to show you how he became the leader of TubaFour Nation. So let's jump into it. I've easily watched hundreds of the 1.1 thousand videos Matt's published on his channel, 731 Woodworks, and based on the 120 million views on his channel, you probably have too. But Matt wasn't an overnight success. His journey took years of hard work and dedication to build the following he has today. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's start at the beginning, back before he published even his first video on YouTube. Prior to YouTube, Matt held a couple of jobs as a public servant. First, he was serving as a firefighter in his local community, and then later became an Arkansas State Trooper in 2008. State Trooper Outlaw had to be the coolest name on the force, by the way. Matt ended up working that job and serving his community for 13 years. And despite the majority of this being before YouTube, it brings us to the first key to his success on the platform. Before even starting on YouTube, Matt showed he had a heart of a servant, and that comes through in his videos still today. Helping other people was one of the main contributors to him starting a channel and continues to make him successful today. Audiences on YouTube are looking for value, and Matt's able and willing to provide that to his audience free of charge. Unfortunately, public service doesn't pay too well, unless you're in Congress, at which point it's not really public service anymore. Matt was living paycheck to paycheck and wanted to make some extra money on the side. He didn't have a ton of woodworking experience or even tools to build anything, but he did have the willpower to make a change in his life. In early 2017, he followed a woodworking tutorial made by Jay Bates. Using a borrowed circular saw and 2 drills, he made these outdoor chairs to sell. It went really well for him, and he started making lots of different projects to make and sell for his business. Just a few short months later, he started his own channel and started posting videos. He kicked off his YouTube career with a review of a couple orbital sanders, a sign of things to come for his channel. Growth of his channel was pretty slow at first, but that all changed when he found his first huge success in making farmhouse furniture. If you're into woodworking at all, you've probably been recommended some of these videos. Matt has several videos on farmhouse furniture that he's designed, but these end tables were the first. And fittingly, most of it is made out of 2x4s. The video dropped in September of 2017 and was very successful compared to his prior videos. Farmhouse style furniture was very in at the time, and he came up with a great design that was easy to make. Woodworking YouTube loved it, and the videos brought in 212,000 views to date. This is about where I subbed to his channel and started following his work. Let me know in the comments if you remember what your first video of Matt's was that you watched. This first huge video success brings us to the second reason why Matt has had so much success on YouTube. He has an eye for design and is able to make pieces that people love. Designing projects is not easy. It takes a lot of time and often multiple iterations to get it right. The woodworking YouTube community is always looking for great designs that have already been tested and are guaranteed to work. Matt is able to consistently provide this not only with his farmhouse style designs, but also with other popular projects on the channel, such as the noodle boards, dog kennel, and modern dresser design. But alongside all those build videos, Matt found another good way to provide value to his community, and that was through tool reviews. If you're like me, you do a lot of research before buying a tool. Some of them can be a pretty major purchase, so it's important to get it right. When I'm looking into a tool, I want to see the strengths, the weaknesses, and just get a general feel for how it's going to perform. This is where Matt saw a great opportunity to help his community make good decisions on the tools they are buying. As an avid woodworker, Matt is testing and trying out tools at a much higher rate than a hobbyist would. And that wide range of experience with different brands and tool types gives him a good baseline that he can provide value on saying which one's better. Tool reviews count for hundreds of the videos on his channel and are some of the most popular videos to date. But reviewing tools doesn't really work for everyone. Matt's commitment to building his channel and building that trust with his community has led to him being able to make those recommendations and those recommendations being respected. This ultimately comes through trust, the third key element to his YouTube success. Matt's audience trusts what he says and knows he's trying to provide a fair evaluation of the product he's reviewing. He's providing us with the information, and then we can make the decision ourselves if that product is right for us. So with the 3 key attributes of a servant's heart, an eye for design, and trustworthiness, Matt was poised to rise to YouTube stardom. Since 2020, Matt's channel has been exploding. He crossed 100,000 subs in September of 2020 after his mega successful video, and still most popular video to date, called Top 5 Woodworking Projects That Sell. This earned him the coveted YouTube silver play button. He then crossed the 500K mark around mid-2023 and is sitting around 600,000 right now. This consistent growth isn't just from long-form videos, though. He's generating so much valuable content, such as YouTube Shorts, social media posts, live podcasts, marketing and selling plans, partnering with tool brands across the country, and even selling his own board butter for cutting boards. Obviously, Matt is super hardworking and has a lot going on that's going to continue to spur his growth moving forward. But truly at the heart of it all is Matt's love for Jesus and his desire to serve people. This continues to shine through on his channel as his platform grows and will continue to draw people in for many years to come. So those are the keys to Mr. 731's success on YouTube and how he became the leader of TubaFour Nation. If somehow you are not subbed to his channel, please go do that now. You're really missing out on great content if you're not. If you're interested in selling your woodworking projects, you might enjoy this video where I tested the market for one of Matthew Peach's designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.